Hello, what's up guys? Today I want to show you my ZD Racing truggy, and this is important thing. If you have this car, use the zip tapes, because last time I broke this front upper arm, and today on the flat second arm also broke. I use the zip tapes and it works really well and it helps. I don't know why this happened. I think because on my last big crash I broke this upper arm, and I think that left arm was broke too, and I didn't check it. And when I ran this car today, after maybe, I don't know, 5-10 meters, it broke. I didn't jump and it broke. So I found that missing part and I use this simple zip tapes and it really helps. So I propose to use zip tapes to all these parts right here and right here, and also I propose use it here, because I think this part is the weakest things in this ZD Racing truggy model. So if you have this car, make sure that you will protect it by this simple zip tapes, and this really helps. I ran about 50 minutes on my 4S Lipo 6000 milliamps, and after I repair it, nothing happens, and I run almost on the full throttle, and like I said, nothing happens. So it really works and really helps. So okay, I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see you.